Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. We'll start up in the bow area. You have a concealed anchor locker all the way forward, two big cushions with a center filler cushion here. One side has rod storage, the other has miscellaneous storage. You have a big fish box in the middle with an additional storage spot that can be also used as a cooler. Multi-purpose. You have a mount here for a bow table. The cool thing about the 240 Dauntless is when you pop up the seat backs, you've got seating here, a cup holder, best view on the water. As we move more up into the console area, you have a blue lined live well, rod holders on each side. In the console we have a pump out head, lots of room for a 24. The table stores away in the console when not in use. As we move around to the helm area, this boat is equipped with the Raymarine Axiom chart plotter, Fusion stereo, VHF, active trim, Lenco trim tabs, the smart box from Whaler, which has all your connections in here as well. Great place to put your wallet, keys, phone when you're out boating. As you see, this boat has the factory hardtop that is color matched and style matched with the boat, so it doesn't look like an add-on, it looks like it's part of the boat. This boat has the leaning post helm seat that does a number of functions. You can lean it forward or backwards. Slide out cooler. Big rear bench seat with a lot of storage underneath, which also converts into a casting platform. So when you're inshore fishing, you can work the boat from side to side, lots of great space. You have the ski tow bar as well for when the kids want to do water sports. As we step all the way back to the transom, you'll see the swim ladder, which one key thing Whaler does here is it's under the lid, so it's not a trip hazard. Very user friendly. As you see, this boat is equipped with the new Mercury 300 Verado V8 engine. Just to give you a little spec information on the boat is an 8-foot 6-inch beam and has a weight of about 4,600 pounds with motor, fuel, gear, etc. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call at 910-256-8100.